How to make a free landing page for Insta bio. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. The platform that we'll be using in this example is allmylinks.com. And the reason why I recommend All My Links platform is because it is completely free and it is one of the best link in bio platforms. As not only will you be able to create a free landing page, but on this landing page, you'll also be able to collect payments for completely free. So you can integrate PayPal and so on your link in bio landing page. All you'll need to do is go onto allmylinks.com. Then from there, you can choose to enter your email address and password, or you can choose to sign up with your Twitter account or Google account as you can see here. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. On this page, you'll now be able to start adding your links. So you could tap on add link. Then from there, you can add in all your social media links. So for example, you can paste in your Instagram, your Facebook link, whichever link that you would like to add to your bio. And by also tapping on add link from the left hand menu option, from there, you can see popular links that you can add. So for example, if you like to link to an external website, you could tap on web link right here. So let's do that real quick. After you have tapped on web link, you'll be able to add a web link. So let me do that real quick. I'll tap on web link. Then from there, you can paste in your web link platform. So let's say, for example, I'll quickly go on to, for example, ESPN. I'm going to be copying this URL, and let's say I wanted to add it. You could simply paste it in right there. After you have done that, you could scroll down so you can see that it has now been added. So you can see right there, you can see that it has now been added. All you'll need to do is tap on web link, and then after doing that, you can add other links. So you can tap on save and publish. You can add other links if you want. So to add a payment link, all you'll need to do now, you could simply tap on the plus right here. So after tapping on the plus, we could tap on payment links. Then from there, you can see the different payment links that you can add. So you could add your PayPal, your Venmo, Buy Me a Coffee, Cash App, Patreon, Coffee, Stripe. Any one of these options, you can even collect crypto token as you can see right here. So all you'll need to do is tap on the platform that you would like to add. After you have done that, you can add in your Stripe link right here. Then once you're finished, you'll tap on save and publish as you can see there. Now after doing this, you may want to change your profile pic or so on. To make editing changes, all you'll need to do is tap on edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, from here you can tap on pick an image. So we're going to do that real quick. After doing that, you can choose to either load an avatar from your NFT profile, or you can simply tap on upload from your device. I'm just going to be choosing a random image for example's sake. So let's say, for example, this one. You can simply choose a random image, then you can zoom in. So let's say right there, and you'll tap on save. Now after doing that, you can scroll down, you can change your name, you can edit your username, you can also edit the theme color. And if you'd like to add a background image, you can do that by tapping on image right here. Then from there, you can type in the type of background that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, forest. I'll type in forest. Then I'm going to tap on enter and I'm going to see the suggestions. And from here, you could scroll down and you can select any one of these copyright free images that you would like to use by simply tapping on it. So after I've tapped on it, you can see that the background has now changed. You can also tap on short bio and you could type out a short bio if you want. You can also tap on the about section and you can edit that. You can enter your birthday, you can change your gender right there, or you can choose your gender better yet. If you like to show the amount of views that you get on your profile, you can do that. So you can toggle this on. If your profile is going to be showing sensitive content, you can also toggle it on right there. Now, after doing that, you're going to ensure that you tap on save to save the changes. Once the changes have been saved, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can set up the security of your platform by simply entering your password and so on. You can also tap on profile widget right here. After tapping on profile widget, you can edit how it looks. So you can tap on theme if you would like to change it to a dark theme. If you would like to change the size from small to big, you could tap on big right there and you can change that, as you can see right there. You can also manage your links by tapping on manage links right here. You can see the links that you currently have on your platform. If you would like to delete one of them, all you have to do is tap on the three dots. Then from there, you could scroll down and tap on delete. If you like to share it, you could tap on copy link right there. You can also view your analytics by going over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on analytics and from there you could paste in your Facebook pixel. You can also add your Google Analytics pixel right there and so on. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on home in the top left hand corner. After tapping on home, you can see your profile right here. Keep in mind, if you want to add more links in the future, all you'll need to do is tap on link and then from there you can choose from any one of these links that you would like to add, any one of these platforms that you would like to add. You can also tap on contact links. So for example, if you would like to add WhatsApp, a phone or SMS, you can do that by simply tapping on any one of those suggestions. Now, after you're finished, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on my profile. After tapping on my profile, what you're going to do next is you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can choose to share your link via Twitter or you can choose to copy link to clipboard. So you could tap here and you could copy your profile link and then you can share it with whomever you want. If you would like to get a QR code instead to share, you could tap on the QR code image right here. And then after tapping on that, you can choose to customize it if you want by tapping on customize. After tapping on customize, if you would like to change the background, if you would like to change the color or so on, you can do that. So you can see right here by scrolling across, you can see the different colors and the different themes that you can choose from. Once you have found one that you like, you can simply tap on apply. So let's do that real quick. After tapping on apply, if you like to download it, you could tap on download right there. And you can share it with whomever you want. It is as easy as that. And by tapping on your profile pic right here in the top right hand corner, you'll be able to see the amount of followers that you now have. You'll also be able to view your analytics by tapping on my stats right there. And to get your profile link, you can simply tap on the share icon right here and you can tap on that and you have now copied your profile link. Now that it has been copied, if you would like to share it, for example, if I were to go into a new tab and paste it right here, you'll see how it looks. So you can see how it looks right there. This is how it looks at the moment. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And as I said, it is completely free and it is one of the few link in bio platforms that I find, or better yet have found, that you can add payment links to for completely free.